In today's stop and start world, there are plenty of things to worry about when you're behind the wheel of a car. So why not make the drive easier with the assurance that your tyres will perform when you need them to? And that's exactly what Yokohama has achieved with its new Drive series, a new line of tyres with improved handling and safety. Now, the factory-fitted tyres on your car will certainly perform adequately on a broad range of road surfaces, but there's definitely room for improvement. And that is where Yokohama's new Drive series comes into the picture. Both the A.drive and C.drive benefit from Yokohama's latest silica compound technology, and they both use a 5-pitch variation tread block design to reduce the build-up of tyre noise. The new Yokohama A.drive is an economical tyre designed for safety-conscious drivers. Its construction evenly distributes the tyre's contact pressure and gives a larger footprint for more grip. As a driver, when you've got good tyres on the car, you feel so much more confident. You know the safety factor of the car has increased enormously and you can drive easily. When the family's in the car, you want to make sure that they're as safe as possible, and tyres are an integral part of safety. When you're braking, it's just so important. For example, we're going to throw the anchors out now. We're sitting on 60. There they're out now. The ABS does the job, and we've stopped in less than 10 metres. No screeching, no screaming, just simply the tyres doing their job. A step up from the A.drive is the more premium C.drive tyre. The C.drive's tread blocks on the outside edge are large and solid for cornering. The inside blocks have more grooves, which benefits wet performance. A margin of safety is the difference between a tyre fulfilling its everyday job and a tyre saving you in an emergency situation. Tyre industry experts tested the C.drive in 3 real-world scenarios for urban and highway conditions in over 280 test drives. The overwhelming conclusion was that the C.drive provides an extra margin for the average motorist. But don't take my word for it, see for yourself. We're about to replicate those 3 tests right now. First, the lane change test. Witches' hats were set out in gates, requiring the vehicle travelling at 70 km per hour to swerve from the left lane to the right lane, and then again into the far right lane, measuring the capabilities of steering and handling recovery. A car fitted with original equipment, or OE tyres, was sent through first. As you can see, the tyres roll and have the suspension working hard. The driver loses control of the vehicle, skidding across lanes. In real traffic, the outcome would not be pretty. Then an identical car went through, this time with C.drives, inflated to 35 psi, just like the previous vehicle. We'll see how the tyres grip. This is on the C.drive. Not a problem. As you can see, the handling that C.drives provide is remarkable when compared to the original equipment. A dangerous situation becomes a no-problem situation. The next test is a wet skid pan test. The road was wetted down and witches' hats were used to force the vehicle into a sharp turn, measuring the variance in wet weather performance. The original equipment tyres don't grip the surface, so the car keeps travelling fast and takes out a cone every time. However, the identical car fitted with C.drives of the same size and inflation makes it look easy, gripping the road and wiping off speed. For the third and final test, a slalom course was set out to identify the performance and handling gains between original equipment tyres and C.drives of the same size, as well as a larger size. At 45 km per hour, watch the car's body roll with the 15-inch standard tyres. That and the fact that it takes out a witch's hat means it fails the test. Now let's see how the 15-inch C.drives perform at the same speed. Let's head into the slalom. you certainly notice the difference with the C-drives. Certainly a lot more directional, perceived less body roll in the car and a lot less pushing as well. Certainly more comfortable to drive. Now these are 15-inch rims. Let's see what happens when we put the 17s on. Even at 10 k's an hour faster, it's a Sunday stroll in the country for the 17-inch C-drives, as the car easily zigzags through the cones with less steering needed from the driver. Phenomenal performance. The tests you've seen here clearly demonstrate the extra margin of safety and performance that can be achieved by changing from standard tyres to the new Yokohama Drive series. So treat yourself to the extra grip and comfort of Yokohama performance tyres. Choose a tyre to match your high performance car or one that provides that extra margin of safety for your family vehicle. Yokohama tyres are renowned for their premium quality and technical innovation, and they're engineered and built to bring out the best in your car's performance.